One day, a 7-year-old boy who always followed looking up the sky asked his mother, "Mom, why do people suffer from the disease? I wish the world wouldn't have disease. For me, I have a little dream not getting sick and have a healthy body. Go to school happily every day, never absent." The mother smilingly embraced and stroked his head and said, "Baby, you know, you're the exclusive angel which is given by the God to protect your mother. So, when the God is about to grant a man great responsibility, you're like Sun Wukong, you need to create your persistent willpower and benefit a lot from it. This can increase the awareness of dealing with a problem. Therefore, in our life, we always have to go through something.It's the experiences that plays an important role in our life. So, brave little soldier, come on." Hearing her mother's words, suddenly, the little boy smiled and shouted loudly, "I will be brave soldier. I will be Sun Wukong. I will protect my mother. I love my mother forever." Then her mother smiled, but her eyes had been covered by the surprise